Hey guys, it's Maureen. Come cook these meatballs with me, and I used some veggies from the garden. Look at the broccoli. Yeah, so we're going to use water again. We are in tough times in Malawi, so this is another recipe that doesn't require you to put any cooking oil. So yeah, I just put in my water, put in some garlic, and then I put in my meatballs. These meatballs are really good. I got them from the butcher shop by Crossroads. It's called TCG, I think. Yeah, they make the best meatballs and they are oily as well. So I went to the garden, I got some basil, some ginger, some beans, and some tomatoes. These are the stuff that I'll use for the meatballs. I also got broccoli and an onion. Yeah, so when I went back, the meatballs were like halfway cooked, so I just needed to turn them over so that they evenly cook. I added in the fresh ginger that I got from the garden. I also added the beans, and then I added the basil that I got as well. Yeah, so fresh spices. Covered it up so that it still cooks, and then you're going to see that there's oil coming up, as you can see. Yeah, we don't need oil. This stuff have oil already. Yeah, so I just used the same oil to kind of like fry them a little bit, and then I added some onion and green pepper. I think green pepper is the only store-bought because my green pepper is not ready yet. Then I used my homemade puree. Guys, I finished the fresh one now. I'm so sad. I need to make more. Yeah, if you don't know how to make this puree, the episode is on YouTube, so go check out that video. Yeah, so you just let the tomatoes cook, and then you add your broccoli last, because broccoli doesn't need a lot of cooking time. That's why I added it at the very end. And then I also added a cube, Noros cube. That's beef one. Yeah, beef flavor, and more basil for more flavor. Then I added some water, so that now I want the broccoli to cook, but then I also want the meatballs to finish cooking, and I want all the spices to cook together with everything. So this method just makes sure that and the juice is so nice and thick. Just look at that, guys. Very yummy, very yummy. Everybody loved it, so do try it out. And I still can't believe there's no cooking oil in this. Guys, who needs cooking oil, right? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share the post. That's the way that you can support me. So leave a comment, and reshare or repost. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.